This cleanup is a handy Windows 10 utility that you can use to delete unnecessary files or your junk files. However, if you encounter issues, you can follow these troubleshooting steps that we have for you to fix these tools' errors or malfunctions. Now what you need to do first is go to Command Prompt, then run the following commands one by one, then restart your computer and rerun this cleanup. Next, you have to make sure that your antivirus on your computer is running, and you can do that by searching Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, click on Scan Options, and select Full Scan. You'll also restart Explorer.exe by launching Task Manager. Click Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer, then select End Task. After that, click on the File tab, select Run New Task, type in the following, then press Enter. And you have to relaunch this cleanup. Now if the issue persists, clean junk files from your computer. Just go to Settings, select System, click Storage, go to Temporary Files, and select which files you want to remove. And that's what you can do on how to fix your Windows List cleanup errors on your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.